Hi everyone, welcome to Foster's Kitchen. Today, I'm excited to share how I make chicken gizzard vegetable stew. It's a healthy, delicious, and protein-packed meal that's great for any day. So if you want to learn how I make this tasty stew, please keep watching and let's get started. The ingredients are quite simple, with chicken gizzard being the star of the dish, complemented by some fresh vegetables to enhance the flavor. These include potatoes, carrots, a variety of bell peppers, red, green, and yellow, green beans, and onions. The rest of the ingredients will be introduced throughout the video. Let's start by preparing the seasoning ingredients for the chicken gizzards. I'll be using a handful of parsley, half an onion, black and white whole peppercorns, 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger, a few cloves of garlic, and a dash of water. I will give them a quick blend to incorporate into the gizzards. Here are the chicken gizzards, which have already been thoroughly cleaned with vinegar and lemon. It's very important to clean the chicken gizzards before cooking to remove any debris, grit, and the yellow membrane. I'll marinate the gizzards with all-purpose spices, a stock cube, some Himalaya pink salt, and half of the green seasoning blend, saving the rest for later. A gizzard is a muscular organ found in the digestive tract of a chicken. It functions like a stomach, helping to break down food. Mix well to ensure the marinade distributes evenly. Gizzards are made of muscles, giving them a slightly chewy texture and a meat-like taste. Chicken gizzards are high in protein and contain essential minerals like iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, which aid in brain function and help reduce inflammation. Plus, they are low in fat and cholesterol, making them a nutritious addition to your diet and a healthy option for those watching their calorie intake. Allow the gizzards to marinate for about 20 minutes to soak up the flavors. Next, while the gizzards are marinating, I'll fry the potatoes. Heat a pot over medium heat and add a small amount of olive oil. Add the potatoes and shallow fry for a few minutes until both sides are slightly golden and al dente, but not fully cooked. If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing. Once cooked, remove the potatoes from the pot and place them on a plate lined with paper towel to absorb the excess oil. In the same pot, add the chicken gizzards and lightly fry for a few minutes. Next, add the chopped onions followed by the red bell peppers and fry for a minute. Then add the remaining green seasoning blend and continue to saute for another minute. The addition of the green seasoning blend enhances the flavor of the dish. Mix thoroughly and cover the pot, allowing it to cook on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm not adding water because I want it to cook in its own natural juices, which makes the gizzard tender. After a few minutes of cooking, I'm adding some carrot batons, followed by the fried potatoes, smoked paprika, and salt to taste. The smoked paprika adds heat to the dish and provides many health benefits. It's packed with minerals and vitamins that support digestion and have anti-inflammatory properties. Mix thoroughly before adding the green beans and bell pepper, allowing them to cook on low heat for 5 minutes to soak up the sauce and release their flavors. Adjust the seasoning to your taste. After a few minutes, turn off the heat and our chicken gizzard vegetable stew is cooked and ready to be enjoyed. And look at that, the gizzard stew is tender and moist. I've served it as it is, but it can also be enjoyed as a side dish with rice, boiled yam, plantain, and more. This recipe is delicious, high in protein, low in carbs, and packed with a variety of vegetables. It's also inexpensive, making it a great choice for budget-conscious meals. Let me know in the comments below if you will give this a try. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, like, and share. Until next time.